Hey guys, welcome back to my Chem Unit 1 series, and I am going to do the third part of the video today, which will be mixtures. I was originally going to do means of separation included in this video as well, but I decided against it, and I'll just save that for my next video, which might be later today. So a mixture is basically a combination of two materials that are not chemically combined. So they can be separated by physical means, like filtering them and stuff. And um, so it's a physical combination of two or more substances. There are no definite ratios of the substances. The individual substances themselves retain their properties, and they can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. I'll get back to that. If we go back, you can see I have a picture of like Chex Mix and soda. Basically, these are the Chex Mix is a good example because it's just a bunch of different things. You have like your wheat Chex, your race Chex, your pretzels, and your Oreos and Cheez-Its. But you can separate them all into their individual groups. So like, you could take all the Chex out and put them in one pile, take all the pretzels out and put them in one pile, and so on and so forth. So that is a mixture. And obviously you have your soda, which your carbon dioxide floats to the top. The rest of it goes like around. And yeah, this would be heterogeneous. I think that is. Depends. So you obviously have your homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So homogeneous or homogeneous, as some people pronounce it, means uniform throughout. So that means it's the same. There's no unequal distribution. And some examples are salt water, air, alloys, and gas mixtures. All gas mixtures are always going to be homogeneous. Then you have your heterogeneous mixtures, which are not uniform throughout. So it's like kind of like, oh, you don't have only some over here and a lot over here throughout this mixture. And examples would be soil, like dirt, like you have your rocks, pebbles, worms, and stuff. Salad, like salad is mixed. And there's not, like in some places you have more croutons than others. And here are just some other like terms that go with this. Like you have your solutions, which is another term for homogeneous mixtures. And there's also things called solutes and solvents. So a solute is a substance that is being dissolved in another substance. The solvent is the dissolving agent, so that is the substance that is doing the dissolving of the solute. An example would be like salt and water. So you put salt in water and the salt starts dissolving. The salt would be the solute and the water would be the solvent. Aqueous is a term for something that's dissolved in water. And an alloy is a mixture of two metals like steel, bronze, brass, and sterling silver. And in the next video, I will get to separating mixtures, which I kind of mentioned earlier. So yeah, I'm excited to making that. Thank you.